Hello, cosplay world. We're gonna have a quick look at these goggles, glasses, these wraparound shades here, and we're gonna go into more detailing on the film and the materials that finalcosplaycore.com, link in description. And I got a few pictures, although it's a pretty simple prop, so pictures are not super spectacular. There's not too many details to go into. But anyway, what we're doing here is we're covering a piece of plastic in film. And the plastic we're going to use here is a nice flexible bit of acrylic. Well, it's not technically acrylic, it's PETG plastic. But the idea here is, whether you know the specifics of the plastics or not, to find a flexible material that you can work with. The easiest one is to go to your local framing or any place that does picture frames and get the protective film off the front that's relatively stable. It should be thicker than, say, cardstock in this case, and start working with that. And these clear plastics you need to be careful with, obviously, because if you make a mistake, it's going to be on the surface. You'll be able to see right through it. I ordered some film online. This is a tinted reflective film, and you simply peel the back off of it and apply it to the surface just like you would any kind of like a sticker. The trick here is that you want to work slowly so that you don't get creases or bubbles or anything like that. The piece I was working with here didn't have enough width to kind of cover the entire glasses, the shades all at once, so I split it down the middle where it would be the most aesthetically pleasing here. Yep, that's it. I just covered some piece of plastic after I shaped it with a heat gun. Oh, by the way, I shaped it with a heat gun. It just shaped it there. Next time we're going to make a big old long set of armor. Gilgamesh, there's so much there. Hope you guys enjoy. Good times to all. If you like this, you should check out finalcosplaycore.com. There's lots of pretty cool stuff over there. See you guys next time. Good times to all.